Welcome. We, as Michael Kors, are excited to understand the ways in which we can return value to shareholders by investing in a profitable acquisition. Jimmy Choo and Stuart Weitzman both have representatives here today.
Hello all. First, let's start with an industry favorite, AAR, also known as the average accounting return method.
Industry favorite? More like industry flop. For one thing, AAR ignores the time value of money, not to mention using accounting book values. We should really be looking into the internal rate of return and net present value. Stuart, I think Jimmy's right on this one. Simply, if the IRR exceeds the required rate of return, then the investment is acceptable. However, this rule can be tricky due to multiple IRRs, which result from non-conventional cash flows and mutually exclusive investments. So what should we use to understand whether Jimmy Choo will be a profitable investment? Net present value. Although we need the appropriate discount rate. This method uses all of our cash flows and adjusts for the time value of money. Additionally, it is not hindered by non-conventional cash flows or mutually exclusive investments. Okay, so using NPV, which investment is more profitable? Jimmy Choo or Stuart Weitzman? As you can see from the graphic, if we find the present value of the future cash flows, utilizing your required rate of return equal to 11% and subsequently subtract the investment cost, we will have our net present value.
So yeah, the NPV is about plus $14,000 for Jimmy Choo, but
nothing. If NPV is negative, Michael Kors should reject the project. Since Jimmy Choo's NPV is positive, they should accept it. Now that we've decided that Jimmy Choo yields a higher profit based upon our NPV calculation, we need to look into the relevant incremental cash flows of capital budgeting. We need to take capital budgeting into account because our future cash flows will be impacted by changes in net working capital, depreciation, and salvage value. Congrats, Jimmy, we are convinced.